Hey everybody, it's Matt Larson. Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find buyers using your own Facebook account. This is your free account that you already have. If you don't have a Facebook account, get one started, start adding your friends. This is a powerful tool. I'm telling you, Facebook is the future for real estate. I'm just reading an example of a post that I actually posted. And I do this periodically, and my Facebook account blows up. And I don't have some crazy amount of Facebook friends. Last time I checked, I had maybe like 2,000 or 3,000 people. I'm not even at the max. I don't actively add more as much as I should. When I put out a post, it responds. So here's my post. A few months back, I sold a property in Davenport to a cash buyer. I made a quick profit for finding the deal and passing it off. I did not have any money in the deal, not even earnest money. He called me a couple days ago. The property sold quick at the exact price I said it would. Between what he paid for it and the rehab cost, he was all in for about $45,000. He told me when he sold it after all expenses, he had made a net profit of $34,000. Now, I'm not saying all the deals I pass off have spread like that, but it does happen. That said, if any of my Facebook friends are looking for fix and flips or turnkey rental properties right now, PM me or text me and I'll put you on the list. Now, what this post is really doing is it's a testimonial. It's like, hey, I found this deal, I passed it off to another investor, made a couple grand, made 2, 3, 4, 5,000. You don't have to list the number. He took the house, fixed it up, and resold it and made $34,000. My inbox blew up. I spent the next several hours responding to people say, I want a house, I need a house, what do you have? I'm looking for a fix and flip. And the next day, my inbox was full again. So this is a very powerful ad. Again, I don't have any special Facebook friends. It's just the same account that I've been using forever. It's not even maxed out at 5,000 people. And I sold houses for months off of that one post. So make sure you're doing this on your Facebook account. Actively add more people. Build up your list to a couple thousand plus, and this same thing will work for you. Hope that helps. I'll see you in the next video.